There are some great cryptocurrencies in the world. Some of them offer the ability to create smart contracts, Web 3.0 applications, decentralized apps, NFTs, and there are meme coins.
First, let's start with how to pronounce this thing.
Cryptocurrencies have become more and more popular in recent years. With new technologies and business models, it's not surprising that cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity fast. So, this is a great opportunity for grifters and scammers to create cryptocurrencies and cash out fast. It all started as a joke in 2013 when Dogecoin was created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It opened floodgates for meme tokens, which are inspired by social media and internet trends. And there's Dogecoin killer coins, Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, and all other dog coins. So let's dive into the problems with most of the meme coins. I'm not saying that all meme coins are scams, but a huge chunk of it is. A recent example would be Squid Game token, where a group of people or one person used the hype of the Netflix show to create a fake project with false promises and rug pull it. Creators of this token made around $3.3 million, which is retirement fund money. Another example of rug pull is Save the Kids project. They copied the real charity name Save the Children, hired some influencers, and when they got to the launch day, they changed the line of code which prevented big dumps of cryptocurrency. On the launch day, they dumped big. And there's a lot of examples of rug pulls. These are famous ones. Most of the meme tokens can be easily used for pump and dumps. It's somewhat related to the rug pulling. But most of the operation is done not by coin creators but a person who have huge audience. For example, if you own a Discord group where people talk about next Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, you can promote any altcoin and most likely people will buy it. And that's how you would increase the market cap of the coin. But before you announce the next Dogecoin to your audience, you should buy this coin before in the small chunks so the price is somewhat stable. And the next thing you know, you announce it to your audience. Set a target price, and before the target price is reached, sell in small chunks so you don't cause the panic in the community. And this is how most of the pumps and dumps are done, by using small cap cryptocurrencies. Most of the meme coins have limited use cases and vague roadmaps. If you open almost any of their landing page, you will see that is not an average cryptocurrency company, it's a movement. It's people cryptocurrencies that combines the power of memes and utility to create something awesome. It's all about the power for the people. Other cryptocurrencies offer some games and NFT airdrops. You can exchange your cryptocurrency for some in-game boosts and play to earn models. It reminds me of Black Mirror episode where people had to cycle stationary bicycles to earn some kind of tokens. Scary future ahead. With this limited utility, it's not worth to invest money into it. This is especially true when you consider projects such as Ethereum 2.0, Solana, Cardano, Sandbox, and many others. Another problem with meme coins is that they are hype driven and they don't provide any utility. Of course, you can see that every cryptocurrency is driven by the hype and you would be partially true. But some of the cryptocurrencies like Ethereum have some utility despite the price. Nonetheless, the gas fees are high as the Ethereum prices is all-time high. But for the meme tokens, the value they get is from the hype. For example, Dogecoin was promoted by Elon Musk and the later price skyrocketed to the moon to 68 cents for one Dogecoin. And as the Dogecoin was successful and a lot of people earned money, copycats came in. And it started meme coin craze. A lot of Dogecoin killers appeared. As hype dies out, a vast majority of cryptocurrencies lose their value. But why do people invest in meme coins? The answer is easy. People want to earn quick money. The potential is huge. There is a wallet that invested $8,000 early in Shiba Inu, and now the worth of the wallet is over $5 billion. That is some big boy money. Meme coins are Las Vegas of cryptocurrency. You can earn big or lose big. Somebody will always hold the bag. And this is not the only reason why people buy meme coins. There are several key points why people invest in meme cryptocurrencies. For example, being part of community and movement. Some of them evoke an emotional responses from people due to their nature. A great example would be when Elon Musk bought Shiba Inu and named Floki. There was appearance of cryptocurrencies like Floki coin and so on. By owning the coin, you became part of the community. Another reason why people buy meme coins is that they are cheap entry points. For $50, you can buy 1,000 or even million coins. People think that it's an easy way to 3x or 10x your money, but most of the time they hold the bag. Also, don't forget the gambling addiction. As I said before, people think that cryptocurrency is getting rich quick scheme and they want to gamble their way to success. Some of them of course manage to do that, but most people lose their life savings to it. But there's a bigger problem than that. People who are new to crypto. they might get into those meme tokens, and when they get rug pulled, they might think all cryptocurrencies are a scam and leave. And as every hype vanishes, so some cryptocurrencies will go down. So stay safe while FOMOing your money into meme coins.